Namaskar and welcome back to StatSkin Hub. I am Dr. Asha Jindan. Today I will be presenting on visualizing your data, simple, multiple, and subdivided bar charts in Jamovi. This session will help you understand how to effectively use bar charts to interpret categorical data. Bar charts are very powerful tools that allows us to compare categorical data quickly and clearly. In Jamovi, we mainly work with three types of bar charts: simple bar charts, multiple bar charts, subdivided bar charts. Each serves a different purpose depending on what we want to communicate. Let's start with simple bar charts. This is the most basic type and involve just one variable. To create it in Jamovi, we go to the Analysis tab, click on Exploration, move to Descriptives, then add the variable, select Plots, and under that, choose Bar Plot option. Jamovi automatically generates the chart, making it very user friendly. This type is ideal when you want a straightforward view of one variable. Let me demonstrate it through Jamovi. This is my census data set in which five variables are there: ID, region, education, gender, age. I'm making this simple bar chart by selecting Analysis tab, moving to Exploration, clicking on Descriptives, taking one variable, education level. I will move this variable to variable box. Under plots, I will tick mark on bar plot. This is the very simple bar plot is being created where level 2 and level 3 are highest and level 1 and level 4 is at par. And you could see the count by clicking on frequency table. 1 and 4 having the count 10 10, whereas 2 and 3 is having count of 15 15. So that is what the simple bar chart there. I will go back to my presentation. Next is multiple bar charts, which is also known as side by side bar chart. This allows us to compare one variable across another variable. To create this, assign one variable to rows, another to columns, and select side by side bars. This makes it easy to compare groups such as responses across different demographics. In this chart, each group represents a category of the main variable. The colored bars show subcategories from the second variable. This setup allows quick visual comparison between groups. Let me demonstrate it through Jamovi. Again, it is the same census dataset. On Analyze tab, click on Frequencies. Under the contingency tables, click on Independent Samples. I'm moving education level to rows and region to columns. Going to the plots, selecting bar plot, and under the bar type, chosen side by side. You could see this. This is known as the multiple bar diagram or side by side bar chart. This side by side bar chart compares educational levels across regions. The West region consistently has the highest count in all the categories, while East, North, and South show similar lower values. Graduates and secondary levels have higher frequencies compared to postgraduate and primary. You can make this kind of the interpretation in your report Now let's move back again to presentation. Let's look at subdivided bar chart or stacked bar chart. This shows the composition within each category. To create them, follow the same steps as multiple bar charts, but select stack as the bar type. Each bar represents a total divided into segments showing proportions. In stacked charts, each bar equals 100% or total count. Each segment shows a proportion of that category. Here, denominator matters a lot. This is useful when you want to understand how different parts contribute to a whole. Let me demonstrate it through Jamovi. Again, I will go to the analysis tab, frequencies. Under the contingency tables, I will select independent samples. Here, again, I'm moving educational level to row, region to columns. Under the plot, selecting bar plot, an option chosen is stack bar chart. And here, y-axis, percentage of total. X-axis was the educational level, y-axis is the region, and you could see that it is 10, 10, and later on it is 20%. So here, y-axis, I can choose percentage of totals or I can choose percentage of columns. Data set is same, chart is same, but the moment denominator changes, perspective changes. So here, education level 2 and 3, which is postgraduate and primary, are the most prominent in the dataset. All regions contribute almost equally within each education level, showing a balanced distribution. This chart highlights composition rather than comparison of counts, making it ideal for understanding proportions. Let's go back to presentation mode. Once your chart is created, you can customize how the data is displayed. You have two main options. One is counts, which shows the actual number of observations. Another is percentage, which shows the proportion of each category. Use counts when absolute numbers matters and percentage when comparing distributions across groups. Jamovi also allows several customization options. First one is switching between counts and percentage, changing variable placements between rows and columns. Next is choosing between side by side and stack formats. These options help tailor your chart to your analysis need. To conclude, simple chart shows basic distributions. Multiple charts compare groups. Subdivided charts show composition. Using the right chart helps you tell your data story clearly and effectively. So communicate strongly. Choose the format that tells your data story best. Thank you. Happy learning.